Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be taking this beautiful GT3 out for a rip, and we're going to be comparing its Porsche Sports Exhaust next to my base Carrera with its Soul Performance valved exhaust, and we're going to see which one comes out on top. We all know this one's going to win, speed and power wise, but which one sounds the best? Let's go check it out. Even a casual part-time Porsche enthusiast can notice the difference between a GT3 and a base Carrera. It looks different. It has the fixed wing, it has a sportier front bumper, but underneath that fixed wing is a 3.8 litre engine as opposed to my 3.4 litre engine, and that takes you from 0 to 60 in 3.5 seconds with 470 horses. My base Carrera takes you from 0 to 60 in 4.4 seconds with 350 horses. Now, of course, the GT3 is more powerful. It's the sort of perfect combination of the sports car and the track car, and my 911 is the base of the range. But what about the sound? One of the first things I noticed as I was driving this GT3 for the very first time was how different the exhaust sounded. It has the Porsche Sports Exhaust, but it didn't quite have the character that my Soul Performance valved exhaust has. So in this video, we're going to compare the two. The GT3, which sounds unbelievable, but does it sound like my Soul Performance valved exhaust? And which one do you prefer? Let's go check it out. Hey guys, so I've just come back from filming the exhaust sound. This car is absolutely insane. It is so good. I'll say one thing though, as amazing as this car is, the exhaust does not do it justice. It really doesn't do it justice. With my Soul Performance valved exhaust, in between every gear change when you're really putting the power on, you hear this rip, rip, rip. And then coming down especially, lots of pops and gurgles as you go from fourth to third to second. In this, even with the valves open, you barely get any of that in PDK sport mode or just regular, sort of valves open mode. It doesn't have a sport mode. It's PDK sport mode or nothing. And don't get me wrong, it sounds really good. I mean, can you hear that there? I mean, it does sound really, really good, but I just don't think it's going to sound as good as my Soul Performance exhaust when we do the head-to-head. So let's go and see what that sounds like.
So that's it for another video, guys. Thank you so much for checking in. More content coming soon. But before we talk about that, let me know in the comments about what you think. How did my Soul Performance valved exhaust stand up against the factory Porsche Sports Exhaust on this GT3? As I was editing this together, I have to admit the difference between the two exhausts, or at least the gap between the two exhausts, wasn't quite as big as it felt like after driving both of the cars. But then I think back to the driving experience, and I was certainly just sort of left wanting more after driving the GT3. Whereas whenever I take my base Carrera out and I hear that Soul Performance rip, 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 I just can't get enough of it. So to me, I think the Soul Performance exhaust sounds better than the factory Porsche Sports Exhaust on this GT3. Of course, the PSE is going to sound different if it was on a different 911, but it's really interesting to see this high-end GT3 with its factory exhaust stand up against the base Carrera with the Soul Performance exhaust, and I'm so happy with what I have. Now, future videos coming up. I can't wait to get the Soul Performance headers to finish off my end-to-end exhaust system. I'm going to do a before and after video for that as well. Project 996 is still moving along, not as quickly as we'd hoped, but it is still going to be coming along, and we're going to be talking about that soon and making some more videos in the next few weeks. So that's it for now. I hope you're all safe and well. Check in for more videos soon. Take care. Bye.